the betting option. Gates open. They're up and racing. Azu Carrera de Mama draws for your lead. Moving a party outside Power Negotiator. In between runners comes Primavera. Sneaking in down on the inside is Friendly Fire. Next in line is entry number 3, Renzi Stays. Then comes Taste and See. Followed now by entry number 5, DS Index, 5 o'clock. Then comes Red Hot Water. 5A moving up Mega Drive. Then followed by Live in Manila. Then running in last is Extra Strong, who's having some problem as they head towards the last 900. Azucarera de Mama maintaining a length and a half lead. Power Negotiator remains in second. Friendly Fire is by the rail third. Racing in fourth. Primavera closing in his Renzi Stays and See. Red Hot Water also closing in, catching the sixth spot. Then followed by entry number 5, Diaz and Dixie, 5 o'clock. Then comes Mega Drive Live in Manila as they turn towards the last 400. Azucarera de Mama still leading the field by about 2 lengths. Friendly Fire moving up by the rail. Power Negotiator drops back in third with the last 200 meters more to run. Azucarera de Mama. Friendly Fire is by the rail second, and moving up is Red Hot Water with the last 75 meters more to run from start to finish. It's all Azucarera de Mama. Close for second between Red Hot Water and Friendly Fire. Then comes 5 o'clock and Renzi Stays for your Pentapecta.